Unboxing the Hiqili Essential Oil Set. They smell amazing. As soon as I took the plastic wrap off of this, I could smell the delightful smells of the essential oils. These are essential oils from Hiqili. Wow. You get 6 of some of the most popular essential oils: lemongrass, globulus eucalyptus, tea tree, peppermint, sweet orange, and true lavender. They all come in 10 milliliter bottles, which are perfect for your essential oil and aromatic needs. I wish I could say which one was my favorite, but I can't do that because they are all amazing. These are 6 of the most popular. If you've never tried essential oils before, now is the time to try it. You get the entire set in one beautiful box. It also makes for a perfect gift for pretty much any occasion. Easy to open bottles. I think you will absolutely love these essential oils. Smells wonderful. A perfect gift set.